when the fish is formed on the mount of Jupiter, that is beneath the index finger, and this is the mount of Jupiter, whereas it indicates power, honor, and respect. Some regard that the fish sign on the Jupiter mount as an indication of wealth, especially if the mount is well developed. It shows leadership quality, a pleasant, generous, and a religious person. So it is a positive sign of forming a fish on the Jupiter mount pointing towards the Jupiter finger. Fish symbol on the Saturn mount. This is the Saturn mount area, and the symbol on the mount of Saturn can suggest a success in occult science. However, if it is appear on the mount, it is also likely to be a Saturn line. If so, it shows improvement in finances, whether through career, marriage, or any other. So, fish sign on the Saturn mount is considered to be auspicious. As triangle formation and fish formation on the Saturn mount is considered to be a success in the occult field. Formation of fish on the Sun mount. This area is of Sun, and farming a fish is considered to be more auspicious, especially on the Sun mount, as it gives a good name and fame in one's life, and pointing towards the Mercury finger, it also considered to be a more auspicious. It also increase the communication skills of a person, and the person also get a good speaking qualities. Of fish on the Mercury mount. This is the Mercury mount, and forming a fish pointing towards the little finger considered to be more auspicious, and this points that the person may have a good luck in a business or a career that require excellent communication skills. It might also show sudden wealth after the age of 50, and having a good length of Mercury finger also increase the communication skills of a person. If the fish is formed on the moon mount, this area is of moon. Whenever the fish is formed on the mount of moon, it depicts fame or satisfaction in a creative field. It can also mean that travel will be a part of their success. This sign at the bottom of the palm makes a person more spiritual and grounded. And the shape of the fish can be in any direction, like this also. It can be in the upward direction, downward direction, and having a fish on the Ketu mount like this is make the person more spiritual in nature. If the fish is formed at the end of the lifeline on the dominant hand, it ensures a remarkable prosperity, luck during life. At the beginning of the lifeline, it shows much potential and intelligent child, whereas on the middle of the lifeline, it shows the struggle. So, farming a fish at the end and the top of the lifeline is considered to be auspicious rather than on middle of the lifeline.